Cordyceps mushrooms. Cordyceps is a type of medicinal mushroom said to offer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Long used in traditional Chinese medicine, cordyceps is available in the United States as a dietary supplement. There are 400 species of cordyceps, most of which are native to Bhutan, China, Korea, Nepal, Thailand, and Vietnam. The most well-known medicinal species is Cordyceps sinensis, now known officially as Cordyceps sinensis. The mushroom has a long, finger-like body and is usually a brown or orangish-brown color. Zero-fat TV. Think different. Cordyceps mushrooms. Zero-fat TV. Presentation. So valued is wild cordyceps in China that a kilogram often costs in excess of $20,000. Most supplements today are made from an engineered fungal culture that has the biological characteristics of C. sinensis but cannot produce the mushroom itself. In alternative medicine, cordyceps is often touted as a natural energy booster. Proponents also claim that cordyceps can protect against health problems like asthma, depression, diabetes, fatigue, high cholesterol, and upper respiratory tract infections. Cordyceps is also purported to boost athletic performance, a claim that grabbed headlines in 1993 when Chinese track and field athletes shattered multiple world records, a feat their coach attributed to C. sinensis supplements. Some herbalists also believe that cordyceps can boost libido, slow the aging process, and protect against cancer. Few of these claims are strongly supported by research. Meanwhile, a 2016 study from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill showed that daily cordyceps supplementation gradually increased the maximum oxygen intake, VO2 max, in young adults after 3 weeks. What it didn't change was the time to exhaustion, TTE, or the stage in exercise when breathing becomes labored, ventilatory threshold. In short, an improvement in oxygen consumption didn't translate to improved performance. It is unclear whether long-term supplementation might further improve upon these results. Cordyceps has long been used as a traditional treatment for diabetes in China. While there are few quality studies investigating these effects in humans, several animal studies have been conducted, usually with disappointing or inconclusive results. Despite this, the researchers suggested that the benefits of weight loss and controlling diabetes may be significant. Moreover, an improved cholesterol profile is generally associated with increased insulin sensitivity. Cordyceps are believed to have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, both of which may help prevent or treat high blood pressure, hypertension. Many of these benefits have been attributed to a compound known as cordycepin, which is similar in molecular composition to adenosine. Like adenosine, cordycepin appears able to relax blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. The same benefits may be extended to the respiratory tract, according to a 2017 study from China. When taken daily, a cordyceps extract appears to relax airway constriction and improve quality of life measures in people with moderate to severe asthma. Cordyceps is considered safe for short-term use. Some users may experience mild side effects, including stomachache, nausea, diarrhea, or dry mouth. Symptoms typically resolve once the treatment is stopped. Others have reported a lingering metallic taste after using a cordyceps product, which may take longer to resolve. Despite its relative safety, the action of the herbal medication is poorly understood and may cause problems in certain users. If you are allergic to molds or yeast, you will likely be allergic to cordyceps and should steer well clear of them. People on diabetes medications may need to avoid cordyceps, as the combined use may result in an extreme drop in blood sugar, hypoglycemia. This also applies if you are scheduled to undergo surgery. You would need to stop taking cordyceps at least 2 weeks beforehand to prevent excessive bleeding. Little is known about the long-term safety of taking cordyceps. While the supplements are assumed to be safe, there remain concerns about the general safety of imported traditional Chinese medications. In the United States, cordyceps is usually available in capsule, tablet, or powder formulations. Dried whole mushrooms can often be found online, although you can't always be sure if you're getting C. sinensis, or a related cordyceps species. Dried whole cordyceps are often used to make tinctures and extracts, while powdered cordyceps can be blended into smoothies and protein shakes or brewed into tea. There are no universal guidelines for the appropriate use of cordyceps or cordyceps supplements. As a rule of thumb, never use more than the recommended dosage on the product label. If you develop any unusual symptoms after consuming cordyceps, stop and let your healthcare provider know. Be sure to keep the product packaging to show the healthcare provider. Dietary supplements in the United States are not required to undergo the rigorous testing that pharmaceutical drugs do. To ensure quality and safety, make a point of buying supplements that have been tested and certified by the U.S. Pharmacopoeia, USP, Consumer Lab, or other recognized certifying body. Also keep an eye out for supplements labeled yeast-free. These are less likely to be contaminated with molds that commonly infest dried mushroom products. When buying a Cordyceps supplement, be aware that many preparations are not made from C. sinensis. Some are derived related cordyceps species, like C. militaris, or mixed with reishi mushrooms in varying concentrations. Unless there is a USP or Consumer Lab certification, it is often impossible to know how much, if any, cordyceps is in a product. For its part, the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health reports that Chinese herbal products are sometimes contaminated with drugs, toxins, or heavy metals. Others may not even include the listed ingredients. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Check this out. Why water? Links in the description.